A breakthrough in soft robotics means scientists are now one step closer to creating lifelike machines. Researchers at Columbia Engineering have developed a 3D printed synthetic tissue that can act as active muscle. The material, which can push, pull, bend, and twist thanks to its use of silicone rubber and ethanol dispensing micro-bubbles, is also capable of carrying 1,000 times its own weight. Not only could the invention result in super-strong machines, like a Terminator that works in manufacturing, but it will also release soft robots from the current shackles. Synthetic muscle tech is presently reliant on tethered external compressors or high-voltage equipment. But robots fitted with this new tissue could theoretically be freed up to move around like humans, enabling them to better grip and pick up objects. Which is a big deal, because the plan is to eventually get these bots to help with non-invasive surgeries and to care for the elderly, among other tasks. The researchers are touting the material as the first synthetic muscle that can withstand both high actuation stress and high strain. We've been making great strides toward making robots' minds, but robot bodies are still primitive, said lead scientist Hod Lipson. This is a big piece of the puzzle and, like biology, the new actuator can be shaped and reshaped 1,000 ways. We've overcome one of the final barriers to making lifelike robots.